What's up, gamers? Welcome back to another video. Here's my account, Hyper Arcade Gaming Wolf and stuff. Look at this. We're busting a myth saying you get burp after drinking soda. So I'm going to do that with my sister. But she doesn't have to chug it.
Pretend I burp.
But she's being up pretty. But yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
Nathan, why am I not in the video?
Because you're not in. Sorry.
If he lets me win, then I'll give him a gift. With it next to the hanger. Oh, this is just my phonics. That was sour. A little bit.
And if you guys wondering why we're doing this, it's because we're celebrating because in at school video, our video saying at school, we got 559 views. Thanks so much, and we got 1 subscriber up.
And please give us 1,000 million likes and subscribes. Please,
Wait.
I beg you.
First, let's start with 1 million, all the way up to 10 million.
I like turtles. Just joking.
Then we're one more shirt at to change because my other shirt got dirty.
Oh, it's so tasty. Oh.
You need me to fix it still?
Hmm?
You need me to fix it still?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I can't find any cups in there.
There's a cup right here, but it's fine though.
Nathan, do you pause it? We need to pause it.
Alright.
My hands are
I'm
slippery.
gonna be in the garage for a few more minutes. I gotta do something real quick.
Oh, my hands are slippery.
I'm going to the bathroom.
I'm sorry we paused it because our mom.
We're gonna go like, hit the subscribe button. Peace. Yeah, I'm gonna go peace.